Hello all, this is Shreya Bhatia, and in this video I would like to highlight upon my internship experience. So I did my internship at Equitas Small Finance Bank at Delhi Karol Bagh branch at the Training and Development HR department. So very firstly, talking about the task that I performed there. On the first day of my internship, I was assigned to search about what training and development is, what are the various methods used in various organizations as well as in various banks. Then the next task was performing Sampark calling. So the Sampark calling is basically the basic onboard calling which I did. In that I used to ask employees about their basic information like have they received their ID cards, their email ID, have they submitted their relieving letter to the organization about their from their previous organization and all. Next task was exit interviews. I used to call the employees who have recently resigned. I used to ask them their reason of resignation. Their resignation was voluntary or involuntary. Have they applied anywhere, or what was the efforts done by their supervisors to retain them. Then the next task was background verification. So I asked the employees about their background details, like their information about their previous organizations, about their previous HR, their previous reporting manager, etc. Then another task which I performed there was about performance appraisal feedback. So I asked employees about their did they have their clear understanding of their previous KRAs, their current year's KRAs, were they satisfied with the performance appraisal process that has happened in the organization, and etc. Then talking about my research topic or the problem statement I chose. So my problem statement was to create a holistic training program for a small finance bank with the effective use of two methods, that is training need identification and training need analysis method. So to perform this research, I adopted the methodology of descriptive analysis. Under that, I floated a questionnaire in the branch where I was working, and I was able to gather 22 responses. Then further talking about the outcomes of that responses, so I was able to gather information that mostly the employees faced a problem in two training departments, that is financial knowledge department and the department related to technology and digital banking. So these were the two problems which I identified. Then talking about the recommendations which I suggested to the bank, the two recommendations were that they should incorporate diversity and inclusion in their organization, as the number of female were very less as compared to male. And the second recommendation which I would like to highlight to the organization was that they should emphasize more on stress management training, as employees there complained that they were not facing a lot of they were facing a lot of stress while working there. Then the two learnings which I gained was it helped, this internship immensely helped in increasing my communication and collaboration skills, as I talked to various employees at various levels. And another learning was that I got to know a clear cut experience, and I got to understand the environment of a particular bank, how it looks like, and what are the procedures and processes. So that's all about my internship experience. Thank you.